If you choose to use the Hunter MP rotators as your sprinkler head of choice in your turf, it doesn't mean that you have to use a Hunter body. So what I've got here is the Rainbird 1800 series of bodies. There's more to this than the 4 that are in front of you, but these are the 4 that you're going to come up against in a residential turf situation. The thread of the MP rotator fits the thread of the Rainbird body. The advantage you'll have with this, if you buy from us, and obviously you can choose to buy from whoever you want, is that the Rainbird bodies cost less here and they're a superior body. They've got a better seal. I just wanted to really let you know that if you're choosing to use MP rotators, which are an unbelievably popular head right now, you can put them on a Rainbird body, a Toro body, a Hunter body, a hardware shop body. It doesn't really matter. Obviously there's going to be different qualities inside that, but the threads still fit. So MP rotators are available in a male and a female thread. The majority of the shops in Australia only hold the female ones because there's more bodies to interchange with. It's quite simple to screw the flushing nozzle off of these and put the MP rotator on the body. Rainbird flushing nozzle has a little orange flap that flicks up and it flushes debris out of the sprinkler, and then you can put the MP rotator or the chosen Hunter head or the Rainbird Arvan or whatever you want to do. Hunter have the same style of thing. They've got a flushing nozzle as well. It's just grey. These are like a bunch of Hunter heads. You'll see that they've all been screwed onto the same threads. This is a Rainbird, same thread, MP rotator, same thread. So that's pretty much the gist of it. I just wanted to make sure that people were aware that you could put an MP rotator head on a Rainbird body and the thread's going to be the same. In our opinion, the Rainbird bodies are a superior construction. The white seal here is molded with the black plastic, so there's no chance of water getting out through that side. These are a better quality seal. I think they're cheaper as well, so don't feel that just because you've bought Hunter heads that you need to use Hunter bodies to support those heads.